Hi, it's Tim at LeatherSeats.com. Today I wanted to talk about how to install a replacement headrest cover on a foam-injected headrest. We recently had a customer order and install a full LeatherSeats.com leather-trimmed interior kit in their Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 10, and the only part they had a problem with was installing the rear headrest covers. The rear seat headrests in these cars are upholstered using a foam injection process, which basically means that the factory headrest covers are filled with two liquid chemicals that react and solidify into a dense but compressible open cell foam. Since this process is becoming more and more common with newer vehicles with both factory cloth and factory leather interiors, we decided we should do a short video showing the installation method we use for foam injected headrests. We start by using a fresh razor blade to cut the headrest covers parallel to all the seams. Unlike normal headrest covers, which can easily be removed by cutting them apart at the seams, with foam-injected headrests, the seam sewing salvage gets trapped in the foam as the chemical foam reaction expands. After making cuts through the headrest cover parallel to all of the seams, you can carefully peel off the separate pieces of the headrest cover. With the headrest cover panels peeled away, you can plainly see that the seam salvage is still trapped in the headrest foam. After the stock headrest upholstery is removed, we're ready to install the new headrest cover. We use a pneumatic vacuum system that we built to shrink the headrest foam to make it easier to install the new cover. The headrest is placed over the vacuum tubes. A vacuum bag is placed over the headrest, and the shop air compressor provides the suction needed to shrink down the headrest foam. Once the headrest cover is installed and massaged, you can either stuff the vacuum bag into the headrest cover or rip out the part hanging out of the bottom of the cover. Lastly, we close the headrest cover by using a flathead screwdriver to carefully snap the arrow clip on one side of the bottom headrest flap to the J-clip on the opposite side flap. And that's it, headrest cover installed. For those of you who like the idea of using a headrest vacuum, we do offer a simpler portable pneumatic vacuum that you can order with any of our sales reps for around $110. We do have a video on YouTube that shows us using this portable unit. It's very effective as well. If you have any questions about installing our headrest covers or any of our other interior products, don't hesitate to give us a call toll-free 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.